Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you don't know who I am, guys, I basically specialize in saving you lots of cash. Today, guys, I'm going to be showing you a brand new working method of getting Home Depot promo codes. Home Depot is obviously a US website, but it does work worldwide if you have a Home Depot in your country. If not, don't panic. Just because I'm in the UK, doesn't mean it won't work for you in the US, guys. This still works. This is going to give you $100 off your next Home Depot purchase. Alternatively, there is also a 50% off coupon code for Home Depot, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to get them today. So you're going to need to use your mobile phone, so make sure you grab your mobile, guys, and follow these steps. I'm going to be recording my screen now and putting it here to the side in front of my golf clubs. Okay, let me record my screen. So essentially you need to go to this website on your mobile phone. So www.speedycoupons.com, and you're going to this website, speedycoupons.com. Pretty cool website. They have so many different pages on here, ranging from Walmart to Netflix, eBay, pretty much anything that usually costs money. They aim to try and save you it. So go to the search bar at the top here, and in the search bar type in home, and it should just pop up Home Depot coupons and deals. You can see it with the Home Depot logo. So tap on that page to open that specific one and scroll down. You can see, guys, these coupons are limited, so make sure you get on this while they're available, although I've yet to see Speedy Coupons actually ever run out of coupons. And there is two different promo codes that I've mentioned. There is a $100 Home Depot promo code, and then there is also a 50% off your next order. So if you're going to be doing a large order at Home Depot, I'm talking over $200, the 50% off code's obviously going to be more financially beneficial for you. So just select the code, guys, and do a little bit of calculating to work out which one is going to be more beneficial. So let's just say you wanted the 50% off code. You would click on the show coupon, and it's going to pop up this, and it says THD, which I guess means the Home Depot here, and we need to unlock the code. You can see it's protected the code, guys, which is completely normal. These codes are pretty valuable, so this just ensures that you're a real person and the real end user of the code. So tap unlock code, and we essentially need to follow the instructions that on the next page, and that's going to unlock our code for us. So you can see it says the Home Depot code unlocker, and to unlock a code we need to just follow the instructions, and it says complete 2 of the free app/survey offers below. And on my screen here I have a select list of offers, and they're all completely free, and they range from surveys or questionnaires to downloading and playing free games, and this will basically just verify you. So it's pretty easy, and it does take a few minutes, but it's well worth it. So you can see here, guys, this one at the top as an example is a questionnaire, and it's free, and it says £1,000 towards a new iPhone. Obviously I've got UK tasks because I'm in the UK, but if you're in the US, you are going to get US based ones. And this says enter your email and complete the steps. So this one is basically a questionnaire which I need to answer some questions, and I need to also input my valid email address. So this one is basically I need to answer the questions, input an email, and it's going to email me the code as well as verify me as a real person. And there is also, if we go back to that page, you can see there is a family island, and it says download and complete level 8. So this is like a free game where you'd click on it. It's going to take me to the App Store, where basically I would need to download this game, and let's read the instructions again. Download, and then I need to complete level 8. So I'm going to go ahead and do both of those, and then I'll return, and we can see if it gives me my Home Depot promo code. Okay guys, so I've returned and I just went ahead and completed both of those tasks you saw me open up. Took me around 5 to 10 minutes just to finish off that questionnaire, entering in my information. Then I just went ahead and downloaded that game and played it until I got to level 8. So yeah, just choose any 2 tasks that you don't mind completing. I know it's annoying having to do this, but yeah, it's the only way we can unlock our Home Depot code. So now you should see this Home Depot coupons tab that's opened up if you've done everything correctly and fully completed 2 of those tasks. So go ahead, click on that tab, and it's going to show you your exclusive and unique Home Depot discount code or coupon code. And this one specifically I'm going to be using is a 50% off your next order code. So I can go ahead and literally copy that and enter it into the basket or at checkout on Home Depot, and it's going to save me a bunch of money. These are definitely the best codes you're ever going to find, guys. So go to speedycoupons.com and get your Home Depot promo codes. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you need any help getting your codes, leave a comment below. I can help you out. Subscribe, all that good stuff, and have a fantastic Christmas. Peace.